Hi, I'm Elise. I'm the head car seat tech here at TaxiBaby Co. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how to use the mifoldONE booster seat. First up, a quick demo on what the mifold booster seat actually does. You can see this is a 6-year-old girl and she's sitting just with the adult seatbelt on. The lap belt is sitting on her unprotected soft abdomen and this guy's sitting up on her neck. Once she's buckled into the mifold grab and go booster seat, you can see the lap belt is now on her stronger upper thigh bones and the shoulder part of the seatbelt is securely on her collarbone, which is much more secure than her neck. Before you go out in the car for your first trip on your mifoldONE, 2 parts of the mifold will need to be fitted to your child: the shoulder belt guide and the lap belt guides. The lap belt guides have 3 positions. They lock into place. You can see it says 1, 2, and 3. You need to have both arms completely even and choose the position that is closest to your child's thighs, but not underneath your child's thighs. The shoulder belt guide needs to be adjusted so that when your child is sitting on the booster seat, it's completely flush with the top of their shoulder, not above their shoulder. To adjust, open the latch at 90 degrees and then either pull it up or pull it down. A tip for when you haven't yet used your mifold booster seat is to pop it on a dining room chair and have your child sit on top of it. That'll give you an opportunity to identify which lap belt position they need to use and which shoulder belt position they need to use. Once you know which lap belt position they're going to be using, you can set that up before the taxi arrives. And once you've set up the shoulder belt position, you don't have to move that until their torso grows. Step 1 is to put the mifoldONE grab and go booster flat on the vehicle seat with the orange side down and the tail, like a cat's, always to the back. Step 2 is to have your child sit on the booster. It's really important that they scooch their bottom all the way back and they're sitting as upright as possible. If they're slouching, it will be very difficult for you to get a safe and secure fit. Step 3, as you pass the seatbelt across their body, slide the lap belt under the lap belt guides and buckle. Step 4 is to attach the shoulder belt guide onto the shoulder belt. Because you've angled this to be completely flush with your child's shoulders, it should not be easy to pull up behind their back taller than their shoulders. Pull the belt guide to the side, pull the seat belt to the side, slip it in, and then pull both up into position. Step 5 is to adjust the seat belt so it's snug and in a correct position. We're going to start by pulling the lap belt up to the top of the thighs and then removing any slack from the seat belt. We're also going to make sure that the shoulder belt is sitting in the middle of the shoulder and not off on the arm. To unbuckle your child from the mifoldONE, start with the shoulder belt and simply slide the belt out of the belt guide and unbuckle. Then we're going to remove the lap belt from the lap belt guides. You'll need to push the seat belt down and forwards to remove it from the lap belt guides. A few reminders: never bring the shoulder belt guide underneath the arm or in front of the body. It stays behind the body and behind the arm, and remember to keep it nice and low in line with your child's shoulders. When children slouch, it's really difficult for you to get a nice, solid and snug fit on the seat belt on their upper thighs, so make sure their bottom's all the way back when they sit on top of the booster seat. When you're out of the car, the mifoldONE is really easy to take around with you. It fits in handbags, school bags, glove boxes, briefcases, no excuses, Dad, and you're ready to go. mifoldONE is designed for children aged 4 to 12. If your child is under 4 years old, please get in touch with us and we can recommend some super safe and super portable products specifically designed for your child's age, size, and weight. If you have any other questions, please reach out and we'll do everything we can to help you.